In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your projects and data from Monday.com to a PDF document in a straightforward and efficient way. Whether you're looking to archive your work, share project details with stakeholders not on Monday.com, or simply prefer the accessibility of PDF documents, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Monday.com homepage. This is your starting point, and from here you'll be able to access all of your boards and projects. The homepage is designed to give you a quick overview of your entire workspace, making it easier to select the specific board you're interested in exporting. Once you've logged into your Monday.com account and are at the homepage, the next step is to select the board you wish to export. Boards on Monday.com are where all your project's activities, tasks and collaborations take place. So carefully choose the board that contains the data you need in a PDF format. After selecting the pertinent board, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 dots representing more options. Click on these. This action will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options for your board, but the one we are interested in is tucked away under an additional menu. Now hover your cursor over the More Actions option. This will expand a side menu with even more features. Among these options, you're looking for Export Board to Excel. It might seem a bit counterintuitive since our goal is a PDF, but bear with me, this is an essential step in the process. Once you've found the option to Export Board to Excel, click on it. A new window will appear with different choices for your export. Here, an important feature you don't want to overlook is Include Updates. By clicking on this, you ensure that all discussions and changes made on the board are also exported, giving you a comprehensive document that reflects all aspects of your project. Finally, click on the Export button. This action initiates the process of converting your Monday.com board into an Excel file. The downloading process will start automatically, and in a few moments you'll have the Excel file saved to your computer. Now I know what you're thinking, we're supposed to be getting a PDF, right? Well, here's where the final step comes in. Open the Excel file you just exported, then go to File, Save As, and in the Save As Type drop-down menu, select PDF. Choose your desired location and hit Save. Just like that, your Monday.com board is now a neatly organized PDF document ready to be shared, archived, or reviewed offline. A couple of pro tips before we wrap up. Always double check the Excel sheet before converting it to a PDF. There might be adjustments or additional formatting you want to apply to ensure the PDF looks exactly how you need it. Also, consider incorporating PDF-specific features like bookmarks or hyperlinks for easier navigation, especially if you're dealing with a lengthy document. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on converting your Monday.com boards into PDF documents. This process not only helps in backing up your work in a universally accessible format, but also streamlines sharing with participants outside the Monday.com platform. Whether you're a project manager, team member or stakeholder, this capability ensures you have the flexibility to manage and share your projects as efficiently as possible. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on making the most out of your digital tools and workspaces.